Today we are going to study about metrics and different types of metrics. Metrics, a rectangular array of symbols or numbers arranged in rows and columns is known as matrix. That is arranged in square bracket is known as matrix. For example, it is 3 by 3 matrix which is arranged in 2 square brackets. Now types of matrix. Types of matrix. Number 1, horizontal matrix. A matrix A of order m into n is said to be horizontal matrix if number of rows is less than number of columns. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is 2 into 3 matrix. First we have to write row, then column. Now second is vertical matrix. A matrix A of order m into n is said to be vertical matrix if number of rows is more than number of columns. In this case, there are 4 rows and 3 columns. It is arranged in square bracket. Next, row matrix. A matrix which has only one row is called row matrix. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's one row into 4 columns. Column matrix. A matrix which has only one column is called a column matrix. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 4 rows and 1 column. Then vector matrix. A matrix of only one row or one column is called vector matrix. There are two types of vector matrix. One is row vector and another is column vector. Square matrix. If the number of rows and columns of a matrix is equal, then it is called square matrix. For example, this is 2 into 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Now identity matrix. A square matrix whose each of whose main diagonal elements is unity and the other elements are 0 is called identity matrix or union matrix. The square, it is shown as this is 2 into 2 unity matrix or identity matrix where principal diagonal is 1 and others are 0. Now null matrix. A matrix whose each element is 0 is called a null matrix. It is also called zero matrix. Scalar matrix. A square matrix is said to be scalar if all the elements in the main diagonal are same and all of diagonal elements are 0. Scalar, for example, this is scalar matrix of 3 into 3. Now diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix all of whose elements except those in the leading diagonal are 0 is called diagonal matrix. For example, 6, 6, 6 main diagonal is 6, rest all are 0. Triangular matrix. A square matrix is said to be square matrix in which all the elements below or above the main diagonal are 0 is called triangular matrix. There are two types of triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements below the principal diagonal is 0 is called upper triangular matrix. For example, in this principal diagonals all matrices are 0. Lower triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0 is called lower triangular matrix. For example, in this principal diagonal upper elements are 0. Next is transpose matrix. A matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix A is called transpose of A and it is denoted by a dash or a to the power t. Symmetric matrix. If the rows and columns of a square matrix are changed in a way that first row becomes first column and second row becomes second column and so on, the row matrix so formed is called formed is equal to the original matrix, then it is called symmetric matrix. Here A is equal to A transpose. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix is called skew symmetric matrix if it is transpose a to the power t is equal to minus a. Negative matrix. A square matrix A is said to be negative matrix if all the elements of matrix A is obtained by changing the sign of all the elements. Square matrix minus A is said to be negative symmetric matrix if a matrix A which is obtained by changing the sign of all elements. For example, 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 2 1, then the corresponding negative matrix will be minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. This completes your matrix and types of matrix. Next we will study about addition of matrix, equality of matrix, multiplication of matrix by a constant, all this. Thank you so much.